Do you know that you can stop the recipients of your email from forwarding, printing, downloading your email, right? That's after you have sent an email to somebody. You don't want that person to copy the email, forward the email, print the email, or even download the email. Gmail has a feature that can enable you to send your email in confidential mode. That means nobody can forward that email or copy it or print it or even download it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get that done. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel, and of course you know what I usually say, excitement, because why? You are over there and I'm over here, and we are looking at ourselves, enjoying the content and having value. Have you subscribed to the channel? Yes or no? No. Go ahead, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. I will release every day, every single day. We give you new content, bringing knowledge to you, bringing information, bringing skills, bringing something that can help you make your life better, increase your wealth using digital platforms. So let's now go and see how to do, send a confidential email that nobody will be able to copy or download, print, or even forward. Let's now go and see it. Okay guys, so the first thing to do is to log into your Gmail account so that you can learn how to make your email confidential, right? It can be quite disastrous, when you send an email and the next thing you are seeing is that email has been forwarded to several persons, right? It has been downloaded and, a lot of things going on. We live at a time where people are doing a whole lot. So this feature will help you make your email confidential, okay? So go ahead and click on Compose to create a new email. Right? Choose where you are sending it to. Let's say this is testing for the purpose of the class, and I write my email. Okay, so after writing your email, this particular email, maybe you have even added an attachment, right? This particular email, you don't want anybody to forward it, you don't want anybody to copy it, you don't want anybody to download it, you don't want anybody to print it, okay? So you are going to make it confidential, and Gmail has given you that feature to be able to do this. So what do? You go down and look for this icon, this button. Can you see it? It's called confidential button, toggle confidential mode, right? Confidential mode. Just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open this dashboard, right? Confidential mode. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email, all right? Set expiration date. So Gmail gives you option of setting an expiration date when this email, somebody can now do the following. And they give you up to 5 years. Can you beat that? From 1 day to 5 years. So you can either set it to 1 day or 1 week or 1 month or 3 months or 5 years. All right. So depending on what you want, I don't know the kind of email you are sending, so you know which one will be okay for you, right? Let's say you are setting it for 3 months or maybe even 5 years. That you don't want this email to be tampered with. By the next 5 years, the information would have become, useless at the end of the day. Okay, so choose the one that best suits you. Once you do that, the next thing is to save. All right. The next thing is to save the what you have just said, the settings. You save it, and that's it. That means this particular email, when I send it, you see, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. That's it. So once I send this email, that is how it will remain. This is a powerful feature as far as I'm concerned, and I'm bringing it to your notice so that you know that this feature is in your Gmail. That's your free Gmail that you are enjoying. This feature is there. Begin using it to save yourself, to protect yourself from any impending or danger that you didn't envisage. Okay, so whenever you are sending that, you may check and find out, is this something you should activate this confidential mode or not? If that is the case, go ahead and do it, and that's where we draw the curtain on the video of today. So if you have gotten value from the video, as usual, remember to subscribe to the channel, of course, share the video, like it, and of course comment. Let us know how the video is and what value you have gotten and how the video has helped you in your career or your business. And of course, remember to ask any question. Okay, we bring you this content every single day, fresh content every day, and of course I will see you again tomorrow.